Hello and welcome back to my artificial intelligence tutorial channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to create 3D animations. In this AI tutorial, we'll convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. I also show you how to easily create your own 3D characters. If you follow these steps, I hope you'll be able to make your own animated 3D movies. So let's get started.
Step 1.
In order to use video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a DeepMotion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click the sign up button to create a new DeepMotion AI account.
Step 2.
Create 3D characters. Once logged into DeepMotion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu, then click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload a photo to it into a 3D avatar or select the Continue without photo option. Next, select the avatar model and click Next to continue. You can adjust skin tone, basic face shape, and various facial details such as eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Once everything is set, click the next button. You will register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue without sign up. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all avatar information.
Step 3.
Generate 3D AI animation. Now click the Create Animate button. Upload your video. In this example, I'm using a jogging video. Rename your file if needed, and use the Crop and Trim button to crop the video if needed. When finished, click the Save button. Just go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. When ready, click the Create button. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button. Select MP4 format and click Download to save your animation video. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing, liking, and sharing. See you in our next AI tutorial video.